They're in that window. Did that get you?
Yep. Respawn's behind there, way out there.
Alright boys.
Grenaded again.
You love a grenade? Yeah man. What? Call it out. Which door? Which door? How far down? Room 1 clear. Room 2 clear.
Yeah, we think the fire's coming in from outside the other side.
Room fleas clear, left hand side. Non-sa, clear, clear. Last room's clear. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
I've just seen a guy retreat. Doesn't look like anyone. Is anyone in that end room? This building's clear. Coming across.
You'll never get me.
Dead man coming towards.
Shooting from the hip.
Keep an eye on those trees, and all right, Paul. Good shooting, Paul. Okay, I'm going forward.
Moving.
Is anyone in those trees on the left? Stay bright.
There's one in the left hand corner of that window. You see his gun every now and again pop out.
But centre. Oh yeah, walking across. Stevie, whereabouts are you? Stevie, whereabouts are you?
They're evacuating the building by the looks of it.
Give me a big wave, give me a big wave. Just come to a window, I'll only say hello. I got your back. Friendly. Room's clear. What, where'd you see it, John? see anyone.
Move it up. Right, down to the tree. Have a look in that building.
How's looking bright?
I see him. Okay, sorry. Friendly's in the building. We have this building. Building's clear. Building's clear. Coming in behind you. Corner clear. Clear. It's too dark in there for me, I can't see shit. Non-sash! Hey Chrissy man, you alright? You coming boy? You staying there?
Okay. Oh, I see.
What are you seeing?
47, building 47, far corner right. Oh yeah, he's got his eyes on us, yeah. Yeah, we're pinned.
What do you see? Pressure off the old? Yeah, I might have. It's my cousin as well. Yeah, I think I got him.
Nice one.
That was me, Stevie, that was me. That was me, Stevie. I think I'm... Anyone left? Was there anyone left with you? I'm nearly out of bullets. Yeah, I'm out of bullets. That was my last, but I can't fire any more shots. Literally my last shot, so it was you.
There's nobody there, by the way. Yeah, there's nobody there. I was the last one behind that building. You know, I was the last one.
Hiding, Steve.
Yeah, I was.
Steve doesn't do that. You just be standing in places no one can see. It's not really hiding, is it?
Was that you, David? Was that you guys moving up there?
No, I came through this building.
Oh, I think I'm still recording.
I don't know where the blow. There's nobody in there.